Good afternoon. It's not really morning anymore. Anyway, good Saturday, whatever. So today we have Zoe and Piper. We are doing a Zoe and Piper kind of a date day, and Keez, Aiden, and Jack are hanging out with Nana and Nathan, so they're getting some one-on-one kind of Nana-Nathan time. What we like to try to do is take our typically developing kids out where they don't have to be kind of held back by, I don't know how to say this, like in a nice way, really. It's nice to take our typically developing kids out with just mom and dad, where we're not having to sit on the sidelines with Keez or with Aiden. We can participate and interact and kind of be with them, if that makes any sense. So that is why we are going out on a date with just the girls today. And they want to go to a play place and then have lunch, and then we're gonna go pick up the boys. I'm not feeling super great today. The doctor yesterday gave me some pain medicine for my tooth that's bothering me, and it just made me crazy. I don't like it. I took it before bed last night, and I was restless and tossing and turning, and I didn't sleep at all. Maybe 2 hours once it wore off in the early morning hours, but anyway, that's okay.
No, it was definitely just morning because it was 6 o'clock.
Was it 6 o'clock? I didn't fall asleep till 6 o'clock. It was a rough night for me. All the kids slept well though, except for we. Why are you sitting like that? I don't think so. Put your feet in front of you.
I like it.
No, that's very unsafe. You don't sit like that.
Sorry.
Oh, this one's cute. Of course, Zoe's the one that can't decide which one she wants. There's a, here, this is like Peter Rabbit. Isn't that what you're seeing tomorrow?
Yeah, it is.
That's cute. Oh, he's soft. Feel how soft he is, Zoe. Can you reach him?
He's the one. Look, there's an even evolved version.
Alright, take them, put them on your cheeks so one more time. Alright, rub them on your head so smart. This is silly. Parts there for once in a while. Put it on top of your nose, close your eyes, make a big wish. And then give the heart a kiss.
Hey, this smells like strawberry.
Okay, stick it in. Alright, we got our food. I got chicken and fries. Piper has macaroni.
I know what it is.
Country fried steak, it looks like.
I guess.
And so we got a burger
And some fries.
and some fries.
That's gravy.
I know, it's so mean today.
He is not.
I'm kidding. I'm being sarcastic.
Alright, got the boys. So Jack is not feeling good, so we are gonna go back to the house and I'm gonna get Jack settled in bed to take a nap. And then I need to just load up Keez's chair and take him to get a haircut.
Yes.
Because he looks like a cockatoo.
Yes. Me now.
Yes. He has very, very long, unmanageable hair. Like there's like gelling it at this point doesn't even work.
Let go.
You getting a haircut, buddy? Uh-huh. Oh, it's so long. Look at this. All right, man. You ready? I'm gonna get it cut. Uh-huh. Did you get your hair cut? He got his hair cut and he got a lollipop. Where are you going? Where are you going? Let me see. Look at mama. Oop, I dropped my keys. Are you handsome? Yeah. Look so much better, man. So much better. So we have Keez playing the Vive. And he's drawing a cool picture. So you can see over here what he's drawing. Push down the button, buddy.
Hold it. Push and hold.
You might have to reposition his thumb under it, babe.
This Pokemon's cute. My Pokemon. Hey, I was sitting right there.
No,
you weren't.
There you go.
Mama, so it's no
Now draw.
one's
Draw.
spot.
Draw. Woo! There you go. Keys.
Where is he at now?
He's just drawing. I did the black background so he could see better.
Remember to hold the button. There you go.
There you go.
Hold the button.
Woohoo.
Kind of looks like an eagle.
Okay guys, so I was just about to edit the vlog and I remembered I did not close it out, so I just wanted to come in and tell you guys goodbye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, in case you guys are wondering, because I don't think I explained the whole girls outing thing.
My throat hurts.
Really? I'm sorry.
It hurts.
I don't think I explained the girls outing. So for Christmas, way back in December, they each of the kids got $50 from their great grandpa. And we've just been saving it, and the girls wanted a mommy and daddy date day. They just wanted to go out with just mommy and daddy and do some fun stuff. So that is what we did with them. And they enjoyed it. And Keez and Aiden picked out toys and stuff with theirs, and that's what they wanted to do. And Jack did the same thing, but the girls really wanted a date day. They wanted to spend their money on an experience rather than things, right? Yeah. Alright, anyway, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. We hope you guys are all doing awesome. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. No, don't give it a thumbs down. We want them to give a thumbs up. Anyway, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Don't forget, always live to inspire. Bye guys. Close it out. Close it out.